everyone, welcome to our video. We chose Discovery Park Cradle Mountain for 2 nights, with a great little cabin to stay and explore Cradle Mountain. The location is excellent. A short walk to the visitor center and shuttle to all walks. There is a basic shop with supplies, a small kitchen where you can make your own cooking if you like, and there's few restaurants nearby. We highly recommend this accommodation if you're visiting Cradle Mountain. Staff at the reception are very friendly and helpful. Cabin is clean and well maintained. Before going to Cradle Mountain, you should have your park pass. We recommend to buy the yearly pass to all national park in Tassie, which is $100. All visitors should park at the visitor center, validate their park pass, and organize a shuttle bus ticket to access the park. The shuttle bus operates 7 days a week, including public holidays from 9 to 5. A $15 fee applies to all adult visitors, and children under the age of 18 travel for free. The ticket is valid for 3 days from the time of purchase. Please note the pass is not transferable to other people. The shuttle bus departs from the visitor center, stopping at the ranger station, interpretation center, then Snake Hill, then Ronnie Creek, and finally Dove Lake. The journey one way from the visitor center to Dove Lake is approximately 20 minutes. Yes. The Dove Lake circuit starts from the Dove Lake car park, Cradle Mountain. Cradle Mountain is at the northern end of Cradle Mountain, Lake St. Clair National Park. 2 3-hour circuit, 6 km circuit, grade free, some bushwalking experience recommended. Tracks may have short steep hill sections, a rough surface, and many steps. Supervise children, beware of flowing water. Subject to severe weather conditions, weather may change quickly. A valid park pass is required for entry to Tasmania's National Park. This 6-km track is surely one of the premier walks in Tassie. Starting from Dove Lake, a glacially carved lake directly beneath Cradle Mountain, the walk offers both intimate and epic views of the famous mountain. The track undulates around Dove Lake, traverses beneath the mountain, then returns through magnificent rainforest to the starting point. The walk takes you through some of Tasmania's special vegetation, from buttongrass to myrtle, sassafras, fagus, and king billy pine. Walk in a clockwise direction. A place for all seasons. Discover deep snowdrifts in winter, spectacular displays of yellows, oranges, and reds across the mountain slopes in autumn. Playful young joeys and hungry echidnas emerging in spring, and the fragrance of wildflowers filling the air as you dip your toe into a crystal clear lake on a summer's day. The iconic Dove Lake boat shed was built in 1940 by Lionel Connell, the first ranger to be stationed at Cradle Mountain. Built from the local endemic pine, the hut sits on the northwestern shore of Dove Lake in the shadow of Cradle Mountain. From the 1940s to the 1960s, the boat shed housed high-end pine boats which were available for use by tourists on the lake. Restoration work was carried out in the early 1980s, but the boat shed remains basically unaltered from its original design. Iconic Cradle Mountain is a place of exceptional natural beauty in the heart of Tassie Wilderness World Heritage Area. From moss-covered ancient rainforests and deep river gorges to snow-covered mountain peaks, wide alpine moorlands and glacial lakes, the park is revered for its diverse and breathtaking landscape. Cradle Mountain is synonymous with nature, wilderness, and all things pristine. Wildlife is in abundance in this spectacular national park, giving opportunity to encounter Tasmanian devils, quolls, platypus, echidna, wombats, and the highly inquisitive black currawong. Nestled among the myrtles and kingbilly pines at Cradle Valley, Waldheim Chalet provides an insight into the early history of the Cradle Mountain area and the people who played a pivotal role in the establishment of Cradle Mountain, Lake St. Clair National Park, Gustav and Kate Wendover. The Wendovers built the rustic home and guest chalet in 1912, naming it Waldheim, meaning forest home. Waldheim Chalet continued to be used for accommodation until 1974. In 1976, Waldheim was demolished following a fire and a replica was built using a traditional bush carpentry techniques. Made from shingles split from kingbilly pine, it is an accurate reconstruction of the chalet as it had appeared at the time of Gustav's death in 1932. Waldheim is no longer used for accommodation, although nearby Waldheim cabins offer accommodation. A visual and audio display inside Waldheim details the rich history of the chalet and the renowned hospitality and colorful lives of Gustav and Kate Wendover. Yes, Orange Station. Je sais pas laquelle. Oui. The Enchanted Walk is 20-minute circuit, 1.1 km circuit, grade 2, suitable for most ages. The track has a hardened or compacted surface that may have a gentle hill section or sections and occasional steps. This walk starts near the roadside bridge at Pencil Pine Creek near the park entrance. Keep an eye out of colorful fungi, especially during the coldest months. You might also see padmelons and wombats on the edges of the forest. Please don't feed or touch any animals for their safety and yours. A tunnel that mimics a wombat burrow has been built along the track and is a magnet for children. We had dinner at Cradle Mountain Wilderness Village restaurant. The restaurant setting was cozy and ambient. We tried rare wallaby, fresh fish, sauté broccolini, and roasted potatoes. The plates were full of flavors and beautifully plated. We had a window view which was spectacular and gave us great views of Cradle Mountain. In the background, excellent dining experience. The lady who served us was very friendly and helpful. Apparently, the chef is French too. Oh, c'est bon, c'est bon. It's okay, thank you. So guys, thank you for watching. We hope that you like our video. Feel free to like, share and subscribe on our YouTube channel. We'll see you on our next video. Thank you. Bye.